to represent a particular graph as an adjacency list. This is the graph that you're going to be looking at. This is important because that's how we can build on the rest of the algorithms. So if that is the graph, what you want to do, I'm just going to introduce. So what you want to do is, first of all, ensure that you have created the graph variable. Now, how it's usually represented is the keys are then the keys are usually the vertices. So this vertice, and then the value. Let me just put that there. So the keys are the vertices like that, and then the values are the edges. So you represent the edges by saying the item which it actually points to. For example, A would point to both B and A. So we'll go ahead and put that as B and A. And that's how it's represented. So kind of do a similar case, just continuing down. And then again, we would look at the values that we have. So here, part B is connected to A, D, and C. So that's exactly what you're going to do there. A, D, and C. So I find this to be a very intuitive way of actually representing a graph. Now, for the sake of completeness, I'm just glad I'd already done this, so I'm just going to copy what I had done, so I can proceed on to the next part. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this does look fine and maybe it works. Then you might be wondering what's the space complexity of it, and the space complexity of this particular item is going to be as follows. So first of all, we want to look at what is it proportional to. So we can clearly see this, what we have on this side. Basically the keys are actually the vertices. So we know that there's a direct look at like this. So we know that there's going to be a direct relationship here. So we know this is that, but clearly it's not proportional just to the vertices. The edges have an effect because all of these count as edges. So A is connected to B and E, to A, C, and D. It's also connected not just to this item, but also to the number of edges. So then we know that the space complexity is going to be O of V plus E. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think.